Hello students, good morning. How are you all? Hope you all are safe and healthy at home. Stay safe. Don't move anywhere. Before we start anything, let's pray to God. Everyone join your hands, close your eyes. Start with 3 times Omkara. Take a long breath, beta. Start Gayatri mantra. Om Bhurvas Swaha Tatsaviturvarenyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi Dhiyo Yo Naha Prachodayat. Om Bhurvas Swaha Tatsaviturvarenyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi Dhiyo Yo Naha Prachodayat. Everyone, rub your hands. Put it on your face and slowly open your eyes. Now your mind be perfect for a study. Concentrate on your study. Don't look here and there, just listen to the ma'am. In the last video, till which number we had learned already? We learned till number 4040. सो कैसे 4040 नंबर है 10, 20, 30 एंड 40 40. 10, 20, 30, 40. 1 10, 10. 2 10s 20. 3 10s 30. 4 10s 40. चले ओके 4 10s 40. Here is also crayon the bunch. 10, 20, 30, 40. 10, 20, 30, 40. And 1 is 41. 41. And what is the spelling of 40? F-O-R-T-Y. 40 O-N-E. 1. 41. Okay, before we start anything, let's beta write your date and CW here. Okay, chalo. This is the very easy spelling. In last video I already said to you FOU जो R है R is skip here है ना. 40 में R skip हो जाता है. सिर्फ FORTY FOUR नहीं. Okay, U is skipped here. 40 FORTY 40 ONE 41. Okay, this is the 41. Now it is 41. Okay guys, now 42. 4 10s 2 1s. 1 10 means 20 30 40 41 41 42. And spelling of 42 FORTY 2 TWO 42. And then 43 43 43. 1 number I am adding 1 stick, and 1 number is going to increase. Okay, FORTY 43 THREE 43. Next one is 45 45. 43, and next number is 44. FORTY 40 F-O-R-T-Y, 44, F-O-U-R. Okay. Just speak with me. 45, 4, 5, 45, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45. Or 5 is spelling of 5. You know very well. Okay. So let's move to the next one. And next number is 46, 4, 6, 46, 1 stick more, 4 stick, 46. What is the spelling of 46? F-O-R-T-Y, 46, S-I-X. You know very well spelling of 6, guys. Okay. Chalo, next one is 47. 10, 20, 30, 40 and then 7, 6 or one more 7, 47. How many it is? 47. Clear? What is the spelling of 47? F-O-R-T-Y, 47, S-E-V-E-N, 47. Okay. Next one number is 48. 10, 20, 30, 40, 40, फिर this is the 8, 7, one more is 8, ये हो गया 48. The spelling of 48 is F-O-R-T-Y, 48, E-I-G-H-T-Y. Okay. Then next number is 49. What is the next number is? 49. 10, 20, 30, 40 and 9, 49. ये हमारा 49 बन गया. F-O-R-T-Y, 40 N-I-N-E, 9. And last is 10. So what is this? 5, 10, 50. 5, 10, 50. या तो 4, 10, 10 ones. This is the 50, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. This 50 का मैं भी एक बंच बना लेती हूँ. It's be a, it also be a 50. देखो 10, 20, 30, 40 and then this one is 50. So 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. And what is the spelling of 50? F-I-F-T-Y. What is the spelling of 50? F-I-F-T-Y, 50. Okay. Chalo, this is your CW. Just I have explained it and your work is in a worksheet. Look here, this is your HW, but I am explaining to you. This is your CW. Sorry, this is your HW. Okay. And what is SW? Read with me. Question थी, write as tens and ones. आपको tens and ones लिखना है. Then write the number and number names. फिर आपको number लिखना है, फिर number names लिखना है. ओके. चले. ये 4 tens 1, तो 4 tens 1 1, 41 and spelling is F-O-R-T-Y, 40-O-N-E-1. Next one is 42, 4 tens 2 ones, 42, F-O-R-T-Y, 42. Next one is 4 tens 3 ones, 4 tens 3 ones, 43 and spelling is F-O-R-T-Y, 43, T-H-R-E-E. Okay. Next one is 4 tens 4 ones, 4 tens 4 ones, 44 and spelling is F-O-R-T-Y, 40, F-O-U-R, 4. Okay. Next 45, 4 tens 5 ones, 45. फिर 4 tens 6 ones, 46. Next is 4 tens, 7 ones, 47. Then 4 tens, 8 ones, 48. And last one, ninth one, 4 tens, 9 ones. Then 4 tens, 10 ones. क्या है? 4 tens, 10 ones. देखो 4 tens, ये 10 ones, जो ये 10 बनता है 10 ones हो जाएगा. क्या कर दिया हमने? यहाँ पे ऐड कर दिया, तो क्या हो गया? 5 tens. 5 tens 50. यहाँ आप 5 tens भी लिख सकते हो. 5 tens 0 ones. ओके, आप 4 tens 10 ones भी लिख सकते हैं. एंड स्पेलिंग इज 50 का FIFTY. How to write? You write on the bottom line. Okay, your number should be touched with bottom numbers. Write this whole number properly. Okay, write in a small writing because this small box is small. So not write too much in writing. Okay, big writing में नहीं लिखोगे. Write in small writing so it's look very beautiful. This is your homework. Okay, and what is today's CW beta? Today's CW is, here is your CW. I have already ready with you for you. मैंने आपके लिए रेडी करके रखा है. ओके, चलिए ये निकाल लेती हूँ तो अच्छे से दिख पाओगे. ओके गाइस, write your date and CW here. फिर don't skip a line because here is we want all this number in a single page. That's why. Okay. फिर put your star here. This is your margin line and write numbers 41 to 50. या तो number and number names 41 to 50. Okay. Then skip line because if you are skipping line, it's look up properly. Okay, guys. चले. This first number is, write your 1 to 10 all these numbers in a margin, inside the margin, and there 1 it should be circle, 2 should be circle, 3 all these numbers should be circle because these numbers are the serial numbers. Okay, चलो. Now देखो guys, what is the mistake by me? ये वाला 41, 42, 43, ये this number you write in this box. पहले पी लाइन में देखो, ये जैसे यहाँ है वहाँ पे आपको नंबर लिखना है 41 to 50. ओके, यहाँ तक का नंबर यहाँ पे लिखना. बाय मिस्टेक मैंने क्या कर दिया? पहले नंबर नेम लिख दिया, बाद में नंबर डाला है. ओके, सो राइट 41 हियर एंड स्पेलिंग ऑफ 41 इज FORTY 40ONE 41 and here is 41. मैंने ऐसे लिखा, but what you do, you write this 41 here and then start spelling. Okay, it's look good. चले, now next one, second number 42, FORTY 40 TWO 42. This is the 42. Okay, then FORTY 43 THREE 43. Okay, राइट स्लोली विथ मी. मेरे साथ ही आप लिखते जाओ बिकॉज मम्मा को फिर बाद में परेशान नहीं करना है. यू राइट विथ मी, मेरे साथ में ही लिखो. राइट योर नेम, रोल नंबर, क्या रोल नंबर, डेट, ऑल दिस थिंग्स एंड राइट विद अ टच विद द बॉटम लाइन्स. ओके, देन हियर इज 43, देन 44 FORTY 40 FOUR 4. This is the 44. Next one 45 FORTY 40 FIVE 5 45. Then FORTY 46 SIX. Which number is this? 46. Then 47 FORTY 47. Next one is page number 48 F-O-R-T-Y 40 E-I-G-H-T 48. Okay, then after don't skip line because I want this whole number in a one page. Then 9 number is 49. F-O-R-T-Y N-I-N-E 49. 49 is here. And last one is 50. F-I-F-T-Y 50. 50. Okay students, till here our number is complete for a 50. Okay, and what you do for next day, next work, do one things. 40, write it properly. Okay, and the next work is here. Your work is I am explaining to you beta. This is the all this number worksheet page number 37. Which page is worksheet page number 37? What you do? This number is for your practice only. Write the missing numbers. Write the missing numbers. You write with me. मेरे साथ ही लिखे जाओ missing numbers. 21, then 22, 23 is already here. 24, 25 is here. 26, 27, 28. Don't be hurry up. Write with a neat and clean writing. 29, 30, 30, 31, 32, 33 is here. 34, 35 and 36 is here. 37, 38, sorry beta, 1 minute, 36, 35, 36, 37 and here is 2 by me. It's okay, cross this, okay, because 37 and 38. Okay, 38, 39, then 40, 40. Okay, 41, then 42, 43 is here, then 44. Okay guys, 40, okay, 41, 42, 43, 44 and cross this also because here is 2-3 boxes extra by mistake. Okay, 44, 45 and then 46 is here. 47, 48 is here and last here is 49, then number 50. Okay beta, this is your number till 50. This is the missing number. Okay, and guys, this one question 5, write the number. This is your for practice. क्या है? for practice. क्या लिखोगे यहाँ? for practice. यहाँ पे क्या करना है? FOR for practice. Because एक बार अगर आपको प्रैक्टिस हो जाए तो इट्स अ वेरी इजी फॉर यू. व्हाट इज द नंबर? 21 to different. This is the jumble number. देखो here is 21, 23, 25, 27, 29, 28, 22. ठीक है. So this number is for your practice. Whenever you want, you can do. जब आप चाहो तब ये press. When you get free, you do this work. Okay. So how to write? Here is 21. So this is your bottom line. Write here TWENTY. 20 फिर 1 ONE 21. अगर if here is 28 तो so write TWENTY 28 EIGHT 28. If you want to write here, then write here. You have to write all this. आपको सारे के सारा लिखना है. बट मैं आपको प्रैक्टिस करने के लिए नंबर दे रही बिकॉज दिस नंबर आर नॉट इन अ सीरियल नंबर, सीरियल वाइज नहीं है. दीज आर द जम्बल वर्ड्स फॉर योर प्रैक्टिस ओनली. मम्मा whenever you get time do this for your child practice only. आपके बच्चे की प्रैक्टिस के लिए ये वर्क मैं आपको दे रही हूँ. Okay students, have a nice day. We will meet in our next videos.